If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Compass Latitude in red line pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, daytime running headlamp system, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, and heated steering wheel, only 30,000 miles on the odometer, a 5-inch touchscreen display, a rear backup camera, Bluetooth streaming audio, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, a dual-pane panoramic sunroof, all powered by a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5316A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.